Good morning, Monday morning, North Wildwood, New Jersey. Look who I got with me. Man, had to drag her out of the bed at the crack of noon. Forced to get up to go to Home Depot. We got projects. Beautiful day today. It's supposed to be almost 50, in the 50s tomorrow. So we're going to try to get some outside stuff done. Plus we have a contractor coming to take care of an electrical issue. So on our way to Home Depot, pick up supplies. What are you thinking here, Crabby?
I'm thinking, I'd rather still be in bed.
Crack of noon, forced to get up.
It's 10:47 now.
That clock's wrong.
Yeah, okay, we're back from Home Depot. Put them to work. Just caulking the seam between the awning and the house, so when it rains it doesn't drip down on the patio furniture. Beautiful day out here, bright and sunny. I mean, I don't know how long he's going to take to do this. We've kind of been out here for a while now.
What, are you getting bored sitting there watching me?
Yep. This cap's missing too over here.
What's that?
There's a cap missing here.
It's missing?
Yep. Looks like the wind took one of our caps off the railing.
Well, we're going to have to go buy one because I don't...
Oh, I'll look around when we're done. The way the wind is down here, it could be anywhere.
Need to get another tube. It's empty.
Okay.
Empty.
Empty. Anything to say while you're off the ladder?
Tube's empty.
Tube's empty.
Gotta go find a cap. Well, there, I got her working. I got her vacuuming up stones in the yard. How did she hear me? Roger's gonna help. Beautiful day out here today. Look, blue skies. So nice. Look at that. Sun shining. Hopefully we get done in time. We can take the dogs for a walk down on the beach. But we just got an alert saying stay away from the seawall and the dunes because of the coyotes. Don't take the dogs up there. The coyotes are coming up to people even in the daytime. I'm sure the town is responding to them. They usually go out of their way to make sure everything is done that's needed to be done. So hopefully they'll get these coyotes under control. Well, you can tell Roger's a city dog. Don't want to lay in the grass. Wants to lay on the concrete. Somebody had the bright idea, raking up the dead grass in the yard. And then I'm going to get some pelletized lime down here and some grass seed. And let's start getting this thing looking nice. Still got a 24-foot long retractable awning, remote control, green and white available. Put some edging along Crabby's rock collection. Everywhere we go, she finds some rocks and brings them and puts them in that pile. It's like Rosie's going in there for something. And then we just did this. We didn't do all down there. I only had one left. We just did these couple here where the stones were coming underneath. I'm going to buy a few more rods, hammer them in there, and then I'm going to get topsoil, and I'm going to do this whole area along the fence, out about 4 feet. Try to build it up a little bit. And then, grass seed and fertilizer. What do you think, Crab? High hopes, huh? Woohoo! Look at that, see that?
It'll look really good.
Yeah, it'll look good until July gets here and it's 100 degrees out and the sun just bakes it.
I don't know. I don't know if I got that or not, but he just broke the rake. Anything to get out of work. I just picked up the piles, and now he's going to act like the rake is broke.
We're back.
Till it falls off again. He has this idea in his head that
I gotta see if there's another stick.
by raking the grass, we're going to get up to 10 million pounds of rabbit doo-doo that's on our lawn. We have been overrun by rabbits this winter, and they like to use our lawn as the bathroom. Here he comes again, out of the shed with something else.
Don't fit, don't fit, don't fit, don't fit, don't fit, don't fit. Shucks.
Are you making out with that rabbit poop?
What's that?
How you making out with the rabbit poop?
I guess it's getting
Spread around.
spread around a little bit. It should be good for the grass, right? Organic?
I don't know about in that abundance, if it's too good. Alright, well, soon he's going to start complaining about his arms, so. I'll check back.
Look at this poor dog. We made her sit out in the yard all day with us today and sit on the porch. And then she had to go for a walk on the beach. All she wanted to do the whole time on the beach is go back to the truck. Look at that poor baby. Look at her. And then the poor baby over here. What's the matter, Mom? Nah. Come on, Raj, we're going out. Want to go outside, bud? Let's go outside. I didn't do much filming this morning. Crabby is, well, here she comes. Look at that. Mention a name, and there she is. She was out hitting the stores this morning, getting us some food. Needed food. I trimmed this tree, get a little more sunlight coming through it for the swimming pools. Here comes the monsters. There he is, Roger the Dodger and Rosie Posey. We couldn't find Rosie yesterday. She was under the shed. She went in here. I guess that's where the rabbits go in. And under the shed. And they didn't know where she was. Lisa starts calling her. And sure enough, she comes crawling out. It doesn't look like much there. But cut a lot of branches down. Rake the grass. Lots and lots of raking. Got a bag there of dead grass. And we got a big pile of it on there. I just tried to give the electricians the awning. The one is going to talk to his wife. He's got to go home and measure the house. I told him just take it with you and measure the house later. But he's going to go home and measure. Yard's looking pretty good. What do you think there, Crabby?
Yep. It looks a lot better.
Lots and lots better. It's amazing what a little raking can do. We got these rabbit holes everywhere, man. That's an ankle breaker right there. Ooh, just my hip just popped. But I'm going to go fill them in. I'm going to get a bunch of topsoil, fill all that in. And then we just had electricians here. So, oh, Rosie Posey, you don't need to see that. We'll walk around and see what the electricians did. We got all new electric out here. Wires are all redone. We had a bad neutral apparently. And the old box had a lot of corrosion inside. So he replaced that and he put a new emergency shutoff in there. I'm assuming it's inside the box there. I should have asked that question. Nice clean work. Want to paint that white panel green. blend right in. I don't want to paint the box, but I will paint the panel. Looks good. Good connections, and no more flickering lights.
Hey everybody, it's Tuesday. We're still down the shore, doing chores. But unfortunately, we're just coming from Walmart. Finally got his TV. Don't forget you have to stop at home.
Uneventful in Walmart. The only people that we spoke to were the two guys behind the counter
And the girl at the door.
and the girl at the door who stopped us to check our receipt.
So,
No issues to report. In and out unscathed. Got a TV for the bedroom. Party's over, I guess.
what's that mean?
Nothing. Netflix, Prime, YouTube.
Great. More YouTube.
Yep.
So, yeah, and it's going to get hung on the wall, so that's another project.
But I'm not moving the electric yet. Unfortunately, we just had electricians there today. We could have had them do it while they were here. But another thing I didn't think of. Could have had them move the outlet. There's an outlet. There's not one in the middle where the TV's going to get hung. There's one on each end of the wall, and the TV's going in the middle. So the wire has to be run over and up.
We'll figure it out.
So at this point here, you're going to see the wires until we get the outlet moved. Hopefully we don't have any other electrical issues, and it'll just take me a little bit of time before I move the outlet.
Not molding time, I hope.
How long could it take me
You?
to get around to it?
A couple months.
I'm doing my other 97 projects that you have.
The sun. What project did I give you to do? Okay, I'm done with him today. So we have to go into Home Depot. So we'll check back.
Another day of projects. And I just checked the video from yesterday. Was it? No, 2 days ago, we were on the beach with the dogs. And I just checked the video for that. Non-existent. I don't know what I did. Didn't hit the button right. I don't know. Can't blame it on the GoPro this time. I'm sure it was me. Oh, I just got nyeh. 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 So much dust. It's been well over a week, and the dust is still in here. Plus, I just did some ripping out. I'm putting new baseboard radiators in the kids' bathroom. Look much nicer, cleaner. Even forgot the video last night putting the new TV up. The box is down here, but the TV's upstairs. Got it hanging on the wall. Looked good. Of course, we had to watch The Godfather Part 2. Crabby's favorite movie. First thing you watch on a new TV. 17,000 passwords to get the thing working. Got to set up accounts. You got to put passwords in. Wants to know if you want it to connect with your other Fire Stick. You say, yeah, you still got to do all that stuff. We're here. Beautiful day. We got to head back to Philly. It's absolutely beautiful outside, but Crabby's got an early start tomorrow. Where are you at, Crab? I keep holding the camera there to see if you come popping back out, but what do you got to say for yourself?
Got a pretty good amount of stuff done
Yeah,
in a couple of days.
But we didn't videotape hardly anything.
Yeah.
I forgot to videotape cutting the tree, raking the grass.
Well, didn't I tape a little bit of you breaking the grass?
I guess the day before, yeah, the day before. But So we did the TV, the bathroom down here, started that with the radiators. The tree.
Took the vacuum apart and washed it.
Took the vacuum apart and washed it. Man, big things going on. I think unless something exciting happens, which I'm not so sure of, we'll be wrapping this here. Got to head back to Philly. Boo hoo 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 hoo. I had to check our cameras to make sure my truck was still there. Haven't driven my truck in probably going on 2 weeks now. Been driving Crabby's mobile. Almost 29 miles to the gallon. All right, folks. What do you got to say, Crabby?
Say goodbye to the old radiator.
Say goodbye to the old radiator. How about, please do us a favor. If you're watching the videos, if you're liking them, please give us a thumbs up. Subscribe. Comment. Share.
We love comments.
Oh, yeah. We get some good ones. So, Dan. Crabby can't wait every week to see what Dan has to say. All right, folks. Thanks for watching. You know what I say.
We'll check back.
See you later.